Example sighting from Missouri, 27 November 2012. Data obtained included 4 hours of returns from 1700 Central Standard Time. The data were provided in STARS format. Although 5 long-range radars were specified in the original request to the FAA, only data from one of the requested radars were provided, plus a second radar that was just out of range from covering the target area of Oregon County. The rough border of Oregon County is shown as the rectangle. The brown polygon depicts the overlapping areas of the Lindbergh and Salem military operating areas. The original sighting of lights occurred between 7:15 p.m. and 7:45 p.m. The data shows 5 aircraft of probable military origin. 4 have active transponders, although 2 are not, transmitting altitude information. A 5th aircraft was detected by primary radar only, but appears to be part of the same group.